Okay, let's turn to the top political story of the day. It's coming in from the national capital where Congress President Sonia Gandhi, as we speak, is hosting an iftar party tonight. Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar has led a large contingent of opposition leaders to Ashoka Hotel in the national capital where the dinner is being held. This is part of Sonia Gandhi's attempt. There you can see Derek O'Brien of the Trinamool as well. Congress National Conference Working President Omar Abdullah, NCP Sharad Pawar, DMK MP Kani Modi are also in attendance, and the aim is to create what they are calling an alliance of like-minded opposition parties ahead of the monsoon session of Parliament that commences next week. Let's go straight across to Javed Ansari, our executive editor, who's there at that iftar. Javed, like-minded parties, what is the message that Sonia Gandhi is attempting to send out, and who are the leaders who have not come? Has every opposition leader come there?
No, the one conspicuous by his absence is the Samajwadi Party. Not Mulayam Singh Yadav did not turn up. Nobody, in fact, from the Samajwadi Party turned up. Barring the Samajwadi Party, most of the opposition parties were represented. Surprisingly, there was a large contingent from the NCP, Mr. Sharad Pawar, Praful Patel, Tariq Anwar. There was Nitish Kumar, Sharad Yadav from the JDU, Kani Modi from DMK, Derek O'Brien from the Trinamool Congress. Mohammad Salim came in for a bit and left. So everybody barring the Samajwadi Party. We are told that Mr. Mulayam Singh Yadav withdrew at the last moment. He wrote to Sonia Gandhi subsequently asking for his absence to be excused because he had other pressing engagements.
And Lalu Prasad, of course, has not come because he's having his own iftar in Patna at the moment, but no Arvind Kejriwal. So Arvind Kejriwal, who held his own iftar, where Sheila Dikshit, the Congress former chief minister, was there, he has not been invited to Sonia Gandhi's iftar?
He wasn't there. Two of Lalu Prasad Yadav's lieutenants were there, Prem Gupta and Jaiprakash Yadav. But yes, like I said, no Kejriwal and no Mulayam Singh Yadav.
So what is, in quick conclusion, what is the message Sonia Gandhi is hoping to send? Is she wanting to make this a precursor to a grand alliance against the BJP in the Bihar elections?
Well, not just in the Bihar elections, but also in the forthcoming monsoon session. She used this as an occasion to bring the opposition together, use the social occasion to bring the opposition together and build some bridges, because in the aftermath of the elections, the NCP had drifted away, as had the DMK. But now slowly, all of them, as the BJP seems to be running into some rough weather, all of the erstwhile UPA partners are gravitating towards the Congress now.
Okay, we'll have to see whether this iftar politics of Sonia Gandhi actually has any results or not. Javed Ansari joining us there from outside that iftar. Meanwhile...